Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact fail to check your updates in Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the search box type a control panel and open a control panel. Click on network and internet. Go to your network and internet sharing center. Click on change adapter settings. Select the internet adapter which is used to connect your internet. Right click, go to your properties. Select the internet protocol version 4 and open up properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses. The preferred DNS service is 1.1.1.1 and alternative DNS server is 1.0.0.1. Click on OK button and close it. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Type a command is net space winsock reset and press enter. After that, type a command is net space int space ip space reset. After doing this state, type a command is ipconfig space / release and press enter. After doing this state, type a command is ipconfig space / renew and press enter. After that, type a command is ipconfig space / flash DNS and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and after restarting your computer I'm sure that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.